everyone. Welcome to another unboxing video. It is Wednesday. We have really great stuff going on today. I'm really excited to dive into this. So I am Amanda, the social media coordinator here at Moms Meet, and I'm with, everybody knows her, it's Victoria, our events manager. So we are going to just, talk about what's new at Moms Meet this week. You can go to momsmeet.com. It is completely free to sign up as a mom ambassador if you haven't already. If you have, you're really excited.
Yes,
you're really excited. So what do you have on your end of the table?
Yes, so I have the kit for the Cobram Estate Extra Virgin Olive Oil program.
I love their olive oil.
It's
so
a group
much.
program. We're all totally obsessed with it in the office. I buy it from Sprouts all the time.
I have a bottle right next to my desk.
Yeah,
right now.
so great. So some of you may have tried this already in previous programs, and everyone loves it. So in this kit, you're going to get a free product coupon to pick up a 375 ml bottle of the Cobram Estate Extra Virgin Olive Oil in the California Select. You'll also get additional coupons for your group, and you'll also get a Cobram Estate sticker and a silicone spoon, which are like the most handy things ever.
Yeah,
so,
absolutely. It's holiday season.
Yes.
Like starting now, kind of. So you're going to start getting all the recipes done, and it's going to be super awesome.
Yes.
I love Cobram Estate.
We love them so much.
So definitely apply for that program. I have a big box here.
Yes.
This is our Keurig K-Duo Essentials Coffee Maker program. So we did this with bloggers. Bloggers loved it.
Yes.
So we're going to now open it up to mom ambassadors to try this. So
you guys are going to be lucky. You have some lucky
I know.
This is
amazing. So you're going to get a Keurig K-Duo coffee maker. You're going to get some coupons, some brand literature. You're also going to get a bunch of Green Mountain coffee roasters in Dark Magic and Columbia Select, as well as I've always wanted to try this, the donut shop.
Yeah.
You will get these K-cups to try, and the best part about this coffee maker is that you can do coffee grounds. You can also do K-cups. So you will be getting some coffee filters as well, the bigger filters to go with it. This is going to be a really awesome and fun sampling program to try out. So if you want to sign up for either of these programs, just go to momsmeet.com. Again, it is free if you are not already a mom ambassador. Thanks so much for joining us, you guys. We'll see you next week.